Yep.
Yep.
There's Ronnie. Here's Dominic in his sandals.
Always.
What up, sandals? And here's what we're doing today. Oh, wait. Here's me. Hello. Oh, check out my eyeball. I got attacked by the trash can yesterday.
No, look.
Check it out. You see it?
Bo also has.
You see my eye?
What?
Dude, I got attacked by the trash can. What are you looking at?
Let me see this.
My Saitama t-shirt?
Yeah, Bo
Boom.
is here, and Bo is here.
I wish, dude. One punch. Anyways, this is what we're doing today. We're doing catch can business on
Let's
the
see
hard body. We're doing like a simple catch can setup. I went to a drift event this past Saturday. Was it this past Saturday?
Yeah, something like
Or was
that.
it the Saturday before? I don't know. I went to a drift
It
event.
was the Saturday before Thanksgiving.
Yes, it was. And I had, come over here. Come look at this. Since we've done the turbo setup on this, when you do away with this air cleaner right here, it leaves this unblocked. You know, you could put like a filter on there, or some people do all kinds of stuff. You can put a hose on it and just route it to the ground, but going to the track, Musselman Honda, where we go, they don't allow like any kind of oil spillage on their track. So what was happening when I was cornering, when I was sliding, you know, we're revving, everything's going on, there's oil spitting out of here, and you can see it right here, and it's like coated. All this over here, there's like oil all over here. Not a lot, but
Call that
enough.
rust prevention.
Rust prevention. So there's not a lot, but there's enough so that when it accumulates, it goes down and it drips on the ground. And we can't have that at the drift track. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put a catch can over here somewhere like this,
Nice.
and we will put a hose to here, a hose to the catch can, and we're just gonna have this oil go into the catch can. What I figure is that there may not be enough pressure to force everything into the catch can, but it doesn't matter. As long as the hose is here, it'll either go to the catch can or it'll go back in the valve cover. Who cares? As long as it doesn't get on the track. So we're gonna mount this, you know, here-ish, and we're gonna have a hose going to here. It's gonna be very simple. Eventually, we'll route the other hose to the PCV outlet.
No, they're just to atmosphere.
We might, to atmosphere.
Yeah,
Oh, I guess so.
it's just air.
Yeah, it's just air, so it doesn't matter.
It's gonna
so
catch all the
we
oil,
can have,
so-
we don't even need another hose. But we can put a breather on here.
Yep.
We could probably put a cool little filter breather.
Yep.
It'll look cute. And we could even make it pink, put a little flower on it.
I was thinking a little weenus.
A little weenus. That would be cute too.
Have
You know, it'd be funny if we had one of those little, if we had a balloon on here and it just blew up as it gained pressure, and it just blew up, and when you open the hood, there's just a big balloon blowing up under here.
We could have,
that'd be real dope.
gosh, what's his name? Bubba. 3D print you something that can screw in
Kevin,
there
yeah, dude.
and be
That would
cool.
be super dope. Anyways, so we're gonna put this on. It's not gonna take us very long. We're gonna show you the parts. Come around here. We'll show you the parts. I got this off Amazon. God, it wasn't.
Link in the description.
Yeah, link in the description. It wasn't $40, but the thing is, it comes with this hose.
Was it $30?
Was it 30? It wasn't. It wasn't 40, but it might have been 30. Anyways, it comes with this hose.
Throw everything
and
out that it came with.
It comes with some fittings that fit this hose. Like this fitting fits this hose, but these fittings do not fit this hose. And this is the size fitting that you need. This is the size fitting that's on the valve cover, pretty
Okay.
much. So I bought this hose from AutoZone, and it was $8. This is 6 feet of 5/8 diameter, and I guess that's 5/8 inside. And it's 6 feet long, and it was like $8 or $9. Big deal. It also comes with this little mountain thing and a sticker, which is the most important thing. If you didn't get a sticker, you didn't buy from a legit company. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You don't get a sticker when
if
you buy
got
from
your
us.
$7,000 Chevy crate motor. If it didn't come with a sticker, not legit. So we got a mountain thing. Why do they put protective stuff over this mounting?
So it doesn't
bracket.
get scratched, did it?
Come on. Come on. It's not even super pretty the way
It's
it is.
aluminum.
Anyways,
Scratches when you
we got
breathe
this
on it.
right here, and Ronnie says this is important. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, you kind of need more than this, but this is what we're gonna put. This is what we're gonna put in here.
Can you show
What
them a
you
little
do
dipstick?
is you put this in here, and when the oil goes in there, it doesn't slosh around. It acts as like a pseudo baffle, and so the oil doesn't slosh around. It doesn't jump out because D21s, when they're going sideways on the track, they tend to bounce around and lean. Mine has a lot of body roll and all kinds of stuff, so that keeps the oil from splashing back out.
But it has a lot less body roll.
This is hilarious. Look at this right here. Well, it comes with hose clamps. It comes with mounting screws. It comes with O-rings. Everything you need for the install, except the hose. This hose does not work. Check this out, though. Ronnie pointed this out to me. This is a dipstick. It's so black, funny. And it's going to get splashed all over. So
it's going to get oil.
I don't know how it works. I guess you wipe it off and then stick it back down there and check it. But while you're doing that, you could just unscrew this and dump it out. I mean, come on. Anyways, but that's all it comes with. It comes with all this stuff. All this stuff, which, I don't know. It's decent quality. Whatever.
It's stuff.
Yeah, it's stuff.
All right, let's get banging.
Yeah, let's get banging, yo. So here's what we did.
Nothing.
We were looking at, we haven't done anything yet, but we were looking in the engine bay and we were pondering, where do we want to put this? We even thought about possibly hanging it from the hood, but you know, if it gets full and we open the hood and it splashes out, that would be, you know, problematic. So
it would be funny though.
It would be funny. It would be funny. So what we did is I actually, my brilliantness, found these holes right here that are actually covered with some sort of like RTV or something. But there is a hole right here that is threaded. It is threaded. So what I'm going to do, stay right there. I'm going to run over here. Okay, I'm running back. Okay, here we go. Fat boy running. I'm going to take this and put this right here and bolt it down. Boom. Catch can hangs from right here. Can change it out super easy. Got tons of room. And it's not 2 feet from the
and they'll face
from the oil source
forward, which will be nice. So there'll be little to no bends.
Right on, and no bends. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna put it right there. We're gonna go ahead and start doing the process. You'll see a little bit of the the work that we're doing. A little bit. Nah. We'll record a little bit as we go, but we're just gonna get this done and show you how it worked out, and put the link in the description.
Link in the description. So
this is working out really good. I mean, like super good.
Yeah, it looks good. It's in a good spot. The only thing, show them the burp.
The burp?
Yeah, show them the burp. It actually doesn't burp anymore. Yeah, a little bit of vibration. But
I'm thinking when we get the hose on it, like, of course, it'll stop a lot of that.
Problem
like, it'll keep it from doing a lot of that. But, you know, if not, you can always, like, attach something from here to here if you're worried about it. But I don't think it's going to be a big deal. I don't think it'll be a big deal at all. But, man, it's working out great so far. This is one of the easiest installs we've ever had.
Yeah, and this is, all we've used is their parts. We haven't supplied anything except for the 10mm bolt that goes down there.
Yep.
And it's not even 10mm. It's 10mm head. So it's like the standard Nissan.
Yeah, it's like a fender. It's like a fender bolt, like one of these fender bolts. Y'all know what they are? Y'all know what they are? So, yeah. So when it's all said and done, hopefully we will have supplied this bolt, and we will supply the hose from there to there. That's it. And that's only because the hose isn't exactly the right size. But that's it.
Easy.
Yeah. Easy peasy. So we're gonna finish this up, and then we'll show you. That's it. It's been like 37 seconds, and we pretty much finished the entire install. I did have to, they supplied hose clamps with it for what you're using here, but the hose clamps that they supply aren't quite big enough. I got 5/8 interior heater hose for this, and I think the ones they supply were probably for like
whatever
smaller than that. so I guess a 1/2 inch would be smaller than that, if that's a thing.
It looks good.
But yeah, I mean, that was it. So I had these like laying around, these little factory stupid pinchy hose clamps, and I put them on there, and it looks amazing. Like I said, the hose totally stops it from vibrating too much. That's it. Like, I don't even know what else to say about it except
this is a factory turbo hard body, right?
It looks factory turbo. Like, this is a completely factory setup. Anyways, we still sell these intake elbows. Like, if somebody wants one, hit us up. We have a couple of videos on it. Look at the most recent one, because it has an updated price, which is $150. You must send us your MAF housing, which is this part right here, without the MAF sensor. We have shirts that we sell, hats, lots of stickers. Check out our Instagram. It's local_losers520, local_losers_520. I'll put it in the video right here. check that out, because we put our stickers up on there every once in a while. When somebody shows us that they've installed one of our turbo elbows, we put that up on there. They tell us how good their setup is doing. Go watch the Simple Turbo series also. Ronnie has something to say.
Bo, I haven't went and saw Paul. Paul is the guy who does these intake elbows for us. I haven't seen him in a long time. And Bo has been talking to him, picking up the elbows. Bo's been taking care of the elbows. I get an order. I get it sent to Paul. He makes it. Bo picks it up, ships it. That's how it's going right now. Bo's also taking orders, not just me. But anyways, Bo is the
don't
only
put all
one.
this work on me.
Bo's the only one that's been talking to Paul. And Bo told me a couple weeks ago that Paul is making progress on version 2, because a lot of you guys have asked about version 2. It's still happening. It's just Paul is swamped. We're completely absent from the project. We're giving him free range to do whatever he feels necessary, and we're not pressuring him at all. But it is in the process, and it is coming to phase 1, I guess. I don't know. Pre-production.
The important thing about version 2 is that you will not have to send us your MAF housing anymore. If we get a version 2 made, it will be completely made here in Sierra Vista by Paul, Freedom Fab, our guy. He will make it from bottom to top, and it will just be a piece that you pay us for, and we ship it to you. Boom.
Yep.
Done.
That being said, it's going to be more than that.
Yeah, probably a little more. Probably a little more.
So,
definitely.
We have a price in mind. We're hoping we can hit that. But
yeah, hey, we're not trying to gouge anybody. We definitely don't gouge anybody on this, because we buy the elbow. We've done the R&D. We have to pay Paul to put these things together. We have to pay shipping, all that kind of stuff. So we're not gouging anybody on anything.
All seriousness, we make like $20 on these.
Yeah, and we have the cheapest stickers in the business. We probably have some of the cheapest hats and shirts in the business too. We're trying to keep everything low. We're not trying to like get rich off this. That being said, go watch all our YouTube videos.
Make us rich.
Make us rich. Amazon, sponsor us. What else? Oh, safety tip. If you have a lowered hard body, watch out for this corner. Like, I haven't hit my head here in a while, but like,
oh, you know what we should
I'm probably about to any minute
we
now.
we should work with Bubba again and get him to 3D print us like little things and glue like some rubber on them.
Dude, that would be so, if we made them yellow like they do on the, the shipping things on the Chargers. And you could just leave them on there.
Sell them to people as head protectors.
Yeah, right on. That'd be funny. So that's it. If you have any questions about this, hit us up. Email us, DM us on our Instagram. If you're lucky enough to have our phone numbers, text us. Yeah.
I don't think anybody does.
Thank goodness. Anyway, we're always looking to help out. So if you have any questions, hit us up. Anything else?
We're active on everything. Like, even if it seems like we're not active, because I don't think we posted on Instagram a whole lot lately.
No,
main stuff. We haven't posted anything on Facebook. But if you reach out to any one of those places, you will get a reply.
We answer our messages, not the very minute, maybe not the day, but hopefully within a week.
Yeah.
Like, we will get back to you. If it's something that's more complicated, I might have to consult with Ronnie. If it's something that's, well, he'll never have to consult with me.
No,
about
that's not
anything.
true. Stickers, you ask me. Like, I do the Facebook, Bo does the Instagram, and we both do the emails.
Yeah, right on.
If you hit me up on Facebook and you ask about stickers, I gotta go to this guy.
Do you have questions about anime? Boom. Look at this. What's up?
If you want a shirt of Bo.
I don't make these shirts, by the way. Anyways, that's it.
Yeah.